Well, good afternoon, everybody. I know tomorrow is a big day. Friday's always good because, well, it's the end of the week, and also there's football. For tomorrow night's game of the week, we've got the Comanches, Shiner Comanches against the Ganado Indians at Comanche Stadium. And so we're looking for a game time temperature of about 90 degrees. Now, it'll be partly cloudy, and there is a 30% chance of some afternoon showers, but I don't expect that to be as tough as what we had last Friday. Remember that? Okay, so just garden variety showers. The winds will be up during the beginning of the game, but they will settle down as the evening wears on. Today, a lot of sunshine. You probably felt the humidity, right? It was a little more, if you were outside, you probably started perspiring a little bit, kind of reminders of what we've been through this entire summer. We do have a couple showers out to the east of Houston right about now, but all of this area, the Gulf Coast, is going to be picking up more and more moisture as the days go on, and that's why we expect some of these little pop-ups to occur over the next couple of days. But in Texas, really all the big stuff has been up in the Panhandle and in North Texas. Got some big thunderstorms up about that area right about now. They're north of Dallas, heading on up toward Denton, but that's where the storm is developing, and that's the one that's going to bring us that little frontal system that I expect on Monday. Now, tonight, they've got possibility of heavy weather there. That's a severe weather outlook, and scattered thunder showers out in the Panhandle as well. And so while we watch that, we wonder if that frontal system is going to make it down here. Well, it's going to be the tail end of it, but as you can see through the Tuesday forecast, okay, this is Future Tracker, how much rain will we get? The model puts, us at about a ½ inch of rain storm total. In other words, between now and then, you add up all the raindrops and we may get an inch of rain. So we'll hope for that because we certainly could use a little bit more rain. Observed highs today, we're looking at 95, Port Lavaca, 97, San Antonio, 97 for us as well, and everybody. And the state is looking still at relatively warm weather. These are all about 5 degrees, maybe 8 in some places, above what we have seasonal for our region. This is the last week of summertime. Now we take a look at Future Tracker and you can see how we see the thunder showers. They're rolling from the northwest down. Okay, so that is headed to East Texas. It's going to miss us, but the second one and the third one, which will be this, will be the frontal system. Now that will be where it is on Saturday, so it really doesn't drift in here until about Sunday, Monday. Now it's not a huge front, but it's something, and we could take anything right about now. Meanwhile, very unusual situation. It's called potential tropical cyclone number 16. This is not a tropical storm, but it's going to be affecting much of the East Coast like a tropical storm. In fact, all the computer models are picking it up and ramming it right over the Carolinas, where they're going to be getting storm force winds. And that's not the big problem. It's 10, 15 inches of rain, which will cause all kinds of problems for them over the next couple of days. Well, our day planner for tomorrow in Port Lavaca getting up to 92, and starting off at 76 in the morning in Cuero, getting up to 96. Like I said, just a slight chance of a shower or two on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Better chance on Monday as the tail end of that front sort of drifts down into our area. That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. We'd love for you to scan that and put cross